Well, if you owned a business in any other major city, you'd have a better chance of securing coronavirus relief. That's our Defender team's latest discovery related to the federal Paycheck Protection Program. As we ask the question, where's the money? Nate Morabito learned Charlotte's PPP loan acceptance rate is at the bottom of the barrel compared to other metropolitan areas.
In the early days of the program, it was harder for any business to secure a PPP loan. In fact, in our area, more businesses were rejected than accepted. Now the acceptance rate has greatly improved, but the Charlotte Metro is dead last among the top 50 largest cities. Like so many other small business owners,
well, it's throwing me for a loop.
Priscilla Clark is losing faith.
I don't see a very hopeful future.
The Salisbury interior designer is worried she won't be able to hold out for much longer.
I just don't know if I'm going to be able to keep a brick and mortar. You know, I might just have to shut that down.
But she says it didn't have to be this way.
I just feel like the system's stacked against us little guys.
Clark says she applied for a PPP loan in April, but hurdle after hurdle took up too much of her time and energy.
I have to just take my energy and put it towards survival.
Discouraged, she gave up on the Paycheck Protection Program.
I just stopped trying.
She is far from the only one. Federal auditors found banks did not always prioritize women and minority business owners.
We're supposed to be living in a society where everyone has equal footing, but it certainly doesn't feel that way.
Also evident in Charlotte's historic West End, where 100 black-owned businesses initially didn't either hear back about their PPP applications or were denied outright.
We weren't going to say no to these folks, and we know a lot of folks did get no as an answer or didn't hear back.
It took community bank UARI stepping in to help many of those people.
We are proud to say that we did not tell anybody no, or I'm sorry, we can't help you. Obviously, if they didn't qualify, that was another story.
The PPP challenges in the Charlotte area are not just anecdotal. SmartAsset analyzed responses from the Census Bureau's Small Business Pulse Survey and found during the survey week ending on May 30th, the Charlotte-Concord-Gastonia Metro was the only major metro with a PPP loan acceptance rate of less than 90%. It was 88%, still a significant improvement over the 49% acceptance rate 4 weeks prior.
Of the people that have provided all the documentation, well, yes, we have had a 100% success rate.
David Beaver is the president of UARI Bank. He said while the programs certainly come with challenges, UARI's processed 1,000 loans totaling $80 million. He credits the bank's 100% success rate to the fact UARI processed most of the loans in-house, manually, unlike big banks that enlisted bots to handle thousands of applications at a time during the initial rush, a process the Small Business Administration later prohibited. He said the struggles of the region as a whole are also likely the result of money.
Some banks had funding restrictions
And banks limiting loans to only their customers. UARI opened it up to anyone. SmartAsset's study did not look at what might have impacted these acceptance rates, but a spokesperson for the company told us banks in our area were just likely overwhelmed and couldn't process applications as quickly as lenders in other parts of the country. Nate Morabito, WCNC Charlotte.
Nate, thank you. If you want us to help you with any money concerns, just email the Defenders at WCNC.com.